Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you, is powdered milk healthy? So watch this video till the end so that you can also know the facts about powdered milk. Is milk powder a good alternative to regular milk? Here is everything you need to know about health benefits of milk powder. Powdered milk is a dairy product made by evaporating regular milk. Since milk has a very limited shelf life, those who are unable to get regular supply of fresh milk find it very convenient. Reducing it to powder also saves the cost of transportation. Stored in airtight containers, this milk can last long and just a spoonful of it can add magic to your tea, coffee or shake. Although it is mostly made of skimmed milk powder, it gives a certain degree of creaminess to your food and drinks and hence it is preferred by some over regular milk. Milk powder is mostly used in the form of infant formula and also in the manufacture of candies, chocolates. Many people use milk powder instead of regular milk as they are deemed to be a healthier option in contrast to the regular milk which might be loaded with impurities. Watch this video to know if milk powder is a good alternative to regular milk. Number 1. Presence of oxidized cholesterol. Yes, it's true, powdered milk contains oxidized cholesterol. Oxidized cholesterol refers to wax-like substance that sticks to the wall of arteries and harms the blood vessels. To increase the shelf life of milk, this artificial substance is added to the powdered milk that can further trigger the formation of plaques, which are the beginning of heart diseases. Number 2. Nutrition and taste. According to a study, powdered milk is an ideal replacement of fresh milk because it has the same vitamins and minerals and can be easily mixed in drinks and shakes. But, when it comes to taste, it is very different from the regular milk and for many people it is not pleasant for the taste buds. Number 3. Cost-effective. The most alluring part of powdered milk is the cost-effectiveness. As compared to the fresh or packaged milk, it comes in half the price. According to researchers, the use of substandard elements makes this possible. Number 4. For lactose-intolerant people. Another reason that has made powdered milk a hit in the global market is the introduction of low-lactose powdered milk formula. According to a research, this powder can be consumed by those suffering from lactose intolerance too. As there is now a low-lactose powdered milk formula available at a much cheaper rate in the supermarkets. This idea was originally developed in 1995 for military personnel. Number 5. Mixes poorly. Due to the presence of substandard elements, powdered milk never mixes well. They generally appear lumpy and can be harmful for the gut to digest. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.